IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever watched a sunrise or sunset? Band 5. Answer.
Yeah, I have watched a sunrise before. I think it was nice, but I don't really remember it clearly. I just know the sky looked beautiful, and it made me feel calm.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, simple ideas. Hesitant, lacks development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, limited range. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, some errors. Pronunciation, generally understandable, but with occasional unclear moments. Typical of a Band 5, communicates but with noticeable limitations and simplicity. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I've watched both a sunrise and a sunset. I especially remember one sunrise at the beach because the colors changed so quickly, from dark blue to bright orange. It was a peaceful moment, and it made me appreciate the start of a new day.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well organized. Ideas extended naturally. Lexical resource, good range, e.g. especially, appreciate, peaceful. Grammar, mix of simple and complex structures with few mistakes. Pronunciation, clear and natural with only minor lapses. Typical of a Band 7.5. Strong control, mostly smooth speech, good vocabulary. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. I've watched several, but one sunset stands out vividly. I was hiking, and as the sun dipped below the horizon, the entire sky exploded into deep reds and golds. It felt almost cinematic, and for a moment, everything around me went still, as if nature was holding its breath.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, detailed, vivid storytelling. Lexical resource, sophisticated, precise vocabulary, dipped, horizon, cinematic. Grammar, fully flexible, error-free. Pronunciation, natural, expressive, and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 9, complete command of language with no noticeable weaknesses. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.